Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable slow mode in Discord mobile. To disable slow mode in Discord mobile, simply follow these very simple steps. 1. You access the channel settings. How? Long press on the channel that you want to modify. Then you tap on edit channel from the pop-up menu. Then the next thing is to locate the slow mode by scrolling down in the channel settings until you find the slow mode options. Then you set the slow mode timer to off. And once you do that, tap on the save button to apply the changes and disable slow mode for that specific channel. By following these steps, you can effectively disable slow mode in Discord mobile and allow for unrestricted messaging in selected channel. It's as simple as that. So with these very few simple steps, you should be able to disable slow mode in Discord. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this we put up every day. Thanks for watching.